not in stock when I was living in Florida. So we had to go with a different green. So I looked at the swatch of Kelly green and I was like, okay, that'll work. Then I saw it on my car and I was like, I don't know if I really wanted that because it's more like seafoam minty green. Now we're kind of having the opposite thing of like, I wanted to do a certain color, and the one that I got first was too bright, and now the one that I have now, it's pretty dark, but I just saw photos from my friend Ferris who owns this car, and I think it should look good. So we're gonna go film the process. To interrupt today's video to say thank you so much to the sponsor of this video, Ridge Wallet. I don't know about you guys, but when I was younger, I always carried really thick wallets that were super impractical. This is much better because of how thin it is and also carbon fiber. This matches automotive industry, car people, car enthusiasts, and I really like this setup because it's so thin. I have all my cards in here, everything I need, my ID. And with me, how I modify my car, I always want to have something unique. So they have over 30 different colors you can choose from on their website. Carbon fiber is obviously a choice for me, but if you want blue, green, purple, they have every option you could imagine. I'm not the biggest cash person, but when you do have to hold it, you can have plenty of room for it in this wallet. All my cards are in here, my cash. Makes life a lot easier compared to having a bulky wallet carrying around in your pocket. Look how awesome that is blending in with my carbon. Really cool wallet, man. The quality on this is amazing too. I really like the size of this wallet too. Other ones tend to be a little bit bigger, but this one is perfect size for your pocket. And honestly, I have to say this makes a really good gift too for your friends or your family. So if you're currently looking for a gift for a friend or a family member or for yourself, you can use my code below, Berke, for 15% off on your purchase. Everything is in the description below. Thank you to Ridge Wallet for sponsoring this video, and back to wrap. Let's see if we got cows today. It's a nice thing about having a friend that lives over here. You get to see cows. I see them. Yeah. Dude, there's so many of them. I'm a happy man when I see cows. They're friendly, man. They're just cool. They're chill. They're relaxed. I don't know, man. Cows are cool. I don't know how I'm explaining to you guys. I don't even care if anyone's judging me. I love cows. 。  . 。  . 。 . 。 . . 。 . . . . . . . 。 . 。 . . . . 。 . . . . . 。 . 。 . . . 。 . . . 。 . .
「
. 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 .
」 sounds so rowdy. This is a dine-in rear section with Velvetronic X-Pipe. No cats. None. God, it's so rowdy. Oh my God, it looks mean. I'll give you guys the look of what I just saw.